I'm Robert Nelson, Executive Managing Director, with your roundup of 2025 Hamptons year-end review and a quick look at January 2026 market. But first, I'm here in our East Hampton office, where we're proud to partner with American Heart Association this February. Sudden cardiac arrest can happen anywhere, and immediate action can double or even triple a person's chance of survival. Join us in wearing red, learning CPR, and helping to support the American Heart Association's vital mission. The 2025 Hamptons market was very strong. More homes sold than in 2024, and the total value of those sales jumped to $6.3 billion, driven by a lot of high-end transactions. Both the average and the median sales price hit new records, with the average around $3.7 million and the median around $2.2 million. East of the Shinnecock Canal, prices stayed higher overall, with average sales prices in the mid-4 million range. West of the canal, prices were lower in dollar terms, but rose faster, especially in the $1 to $1.5 million range. At the very top of the market, overall sales of $10 million and up saw the biggest growth versus 2024, underscoring continued strength in the ultra-luxury segment. On the North Fork, activity also improved. There were slightly more total sales than in 2024 total. Dollar volume increased, and the average price reached a new record of $1.3 million, with most sales between $750,000 to $2 million. Now here's your quick January 2026 Hamptons market snapshot. Comparing this January with the last 2 years, first, new listings. This January we saw 102 new listings hit the market, down from 144 in January last year and 130 in January 2024. So the flow of inventory is tightening. Next, signed contracts. There were 86 homes going into contract this January versus 100 last year and 80 in January 2 years ago. Contract activity is off from last year, but still stronger than 2 years ago, which suggests demand in January is softer yet still solid by recent standards. Looking at closed sales, there were 95 homes sold this January. That's down from 138 in January last year, but well above 55 sales 2 years ago. So closings have cooled from last year's pace, but remain stronger than 2 years ago. Price adjustments are another key signal. We had 169 price changes this January, almost the same in January last year, but significantly higher than 117 2 years ago. That tells us sellers are still having to adjust expectations, and pricing remains all important. Total active inventory is lower at 1123 compared to last January 1210. Putting it all together for January, we're seeing fewer new listings, fewer contracts, and fewer closed sales than last year. Combined with elevated price changes, this points to a market with tighter new supply, more price-sensitive buyers, and an ongoing tug-of-war to find the right balance between what buyers will pay and what sellers expect. I'll be back next month with February's numbers. Thanks for watching.